Sunrise, they didn't know or return. Teach me lessons of its own. Nature move without the man. Show me how to understand. Me used to rush, chase the clock, till my spirit hit roadblock. Then me slow, observe the flow. Start to see what me didn't know. Tree no rush, feet grow tall. Still it reach above us all. Me learn life no sprint or race. The tree walk natural pace. Me see them burn out, chasing more. Lose themselves at final score. Enough become never enough. When you move life too rough. Me choose steady, me choose calm. Balance keep me safe from harm. Me nah late, me nah behind. Me just move in rhythm time. Natural pace, steady stride. Morning high. Natural pace, slow and sure. Enjoy. Me breathe deep before me speak. Think before me leap. Me build life brick by brick. Not overnight trick. Every day add little strength. Growth respect, it's length. Me no envy who run fast. Me no speed now make you last. Me trust process, trust the way. Every seed bloom one day. When God whisper you live. Me answer everything and day. Natural pace, steady stride. Walk with pride. Natural pace, come and show. Carry true. As the sun sets, same as rise. Me live by nature after storm and heavy rain, but still remain. Not untouched but unbroken. Truth spoken. We can test it more than once. Fall down hard, still bounce. Me lose things and thought me need. Gain wisdom instead indeed. Every setback caught me shape. Teach me how we escape. Me see them quick when road gets steep. Fear run deep. But me learn strength now Lord boss. It whisper all and most. Me take hit, me take go. Still me roots refuse let go. Still standing, head held high. Ask me why. Still standing, firm and true. After all me been through. Me forgive past, me forgive pain. Drop the weight, break the chain. Me no perfect, me aware. Still me move with care. Me scars not shame my face. Them mark me pace. Me no claim crown or throne. Victory me own. Standing here already win. Proof within. Not because me never fall, but because me rise. held high, silly eye, still standing, rooted strong all along. When the dust settle and lights fade, me still stand unafraid. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Radio crackle, nickel drop. All tune never stop. Dust pan speaker, vibe still pure. Real sound endure. The music fast but empty now. Flash and noise know how. Me search for rhythm with a spine. Something timeless, something prime. Me hear the echo from long ago. Roots still grow. Vinyl spin like life itself. Truth can't sit on shelf. Every lyric carving stone. Street and yard and home. Me smoke a draw and listen deep. Memories me keep. Old soul frequency tune me mind. Different space, different time. Old soul frequency lock me in. Let the healing begin. Me here struggle without scream. Hope hiding in between. No art or love, no sugar coat. Just message float. Music talk like elder friend. Guide me to the end. Me see the youth them hungry for real. More than likes and real. So me pass the tune, pass the light. Keep the fire bright. Frequency never out of style. Worth the while. Some sound fade like smoking rain. True sound remain. When bassline hit me chest, me know say this the best. All soul frequency tune me mind. Different space, different time. All soul frequency lock me in. Let the healing begin. When the world too loud for ear, me tune right here. All soul play till the end. True sound never bend, never bend. Na 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 na. Ya na na na. Get off open, light them low. Speaker soft and slow. Night breeze, lick the wall. Yard call. No club hype, no fancy bar. Just family and guitar. Bassline roll like distant sea. Pure pure unity. Me feel safe in this small space, smile on every face. Someone laugh, someone roll, someone lost, deep in soul. Music all we all in line, same vibration, different mind. No judgment, past tonight, everything right. Yard vibration, warm and true, pull we through. Yard vibration, hold the ground, real sound. Story pass with spliff and tea, life talk naturally. Some talk earth, some talk dream, all part of the scheme. The rhythm gluey like cement, present moment spent outside, world full of race. Inside yard, slow the pace. Hear me breathe, hear me stay till break of day. No stress, follow through the gate, it can wait. When speaker crack and fire low, vibes still glow. Even silence on my tune, on the moon. Yard vibration, warm and true, pull we through. Yard vibration, holy ground, real sound. Anana, 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 anana. Yard vibration, warm and true, pull we through. Yard vibration, hold the ground, real sound.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh. No sound speak louder than the space. Silence show me truth face to face. They sit still, me mind slow down. Hear answers no crowd can drown. Them love nice, them love show. Work kneel depth, move slow. Silence teach me how to hear what thoughts say when mind clear. Me learn self when alone, not through phone or microphone. When the noise finally gone, truth remain, carry on. Me watch thoughts come and go, so me keep, so me let go. Silence strip, illusion bear, show me what me carry there. Me fears goats, me hide away, me forgive self day by day. Growth happen off the stage, far from spotlight and rage. Truth in a silence, strong and deep, not asleep. Truth in a silence, calm and real, more than feel. Me hear nature talk plain, plain. Wind explain, rain explain. Silence not empty, it full of sign. Only rush man can't find. Me no need shout fi be heard. Some power live beyond word. Me protect quiet time with care, cause me spirit healing there. When world heavy, heart confused, silence never misuse. It sharper focus
silence, pure and white, open eyes. So when the night's too much for bear, return to silence there. Evening falls off on its own. Noise still low, but me calm down. Me breathe deeply, tension go. Find the balance, nice and slow. World spin fast, everybody rush. Too much pressure, too much push. Them shout opinion, them shout fear, but me listen inward, crystal clear. Me learn peace, now loud or bright. It whisper loud in a quiet night. When the storm rage wild and strong, me still stand steady long. Me see hunger burn like fire dry, but calm water pass it by. No, every war deserve a fight. Some battles won in silent might. Me not deny pain or wrong, but me choose calm to carry on. Mind stay sharp when heart stay cool. That alone a powerful tool. Come over chaos, choose me way. Peace led me through the day. Come over chaos, strong and true. Nothing them can do. Me talk soft, but me words them wait. Truth arrive when you're not hate. Me no rush judgment, want no soul. Every story got unseen roar. Me see people tired, wanting, fighting war deep within. Me chant calm like gentle rain. Wash away so many pain. Me protect me peace like sacred ground. No random energy passed around. Me select every who me hear. What me feed my mind I hear. Calm now weakness, calm now fear. It made my vision sharp and clear. When we're loud and heart feel small, silencing me stand tall. Come over chaos, choose me way. Peace led me through the day. Come over chaos, firm and pride. Me hold the light as the night grows and day unwind. May leave the chaos behind.
Na Zion, Raga King, yeah, man. Endless tide upon the shore, ocean whisper ancient lore. Every wave a sacred song, ocean chant the whole day long. Babylon ships may rise and fall, ocean still embrace them all. Deep and boundless, bold and free, ocean teach eternity. Fisherman cast net so wide, ocean bless the daily. every creature great and small. Ocean care for one and all. Stormy rage and thunder roar. Ocean calm the soul once more. Every drop a holy sign. Ocean carry love divine. Elder sit beside the sea. Ocean sing of prophecy. From creation first of days. Ocean flow in righteous ways. Even stranger lost and weak. Ocean guide the truth them seek. Every current strong and clear. Ocean wash away the fear. Child of Zion build a boat. Ocean help it stay afloat. Every journey, every mile. Ocean blessed with holy style. No corruption, bend the tide. Ocean hold the truth inside. Every ripple, pure and true. Ocean sing for me and you. Writing Sunday line. Ocean make the words divine. Every verse a melody. Ocean eternity. Morning light reflects so bright. Ocean blaze with Jah light. Everlasting, bold and free. Ocean hold the mystery. Babylon walls may try divide. Ocean still forever wide. Generation rise and pray. Ocean guide them every day. No more hunger, no more war. Ocean bless the world once more. Sacred water strong and deep. Ocean never fall asleep. From the mountain to the coast. Ocean guard the Holy Ghost. Never ending, never small. Ocean rise above it all. Everlasting, pure and true. Ocean flow for me and you. Boundless mercy shining bright. Ocean glow in Zion light. Flow, flow, deep and strong. Ocean sing the righteous song. Rise, rise, mighty flame. Ocean glorify your name. Ocean of wisdom, vast and free. Carry the people to destiny. Never ending, never fall. Ocean open for one and all. Forever shining, bold and pure. Ocean truth will still endure. Sacred water, strong and wide. Ocean wash the foolish pride.
This is the best reggae you ever hear, yeah, man. Oh, na na na. Oh, oh, na na na. Na na na. Me feel a cool breeze blow, carry peace below. Me close me eyes and pray. Jah guide me where every breath a gift again. Wash away the pain. Me see the people run for fame, forget Jah name. Me move slow, me stay wise, and that just skies. Healing wine through town, calm the frown. Spirit rise and soul repair, love everywhere. Me chant down the fear, bring Jah near. Them build walls
walls, but Jah tear down. Crown to crown, every whisper bring up new to me and you. Healing wine so pure, make me sure. Present healing wines, blow through the nation, bring Jah vibration. Healing wines, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Me see the mother pray for son, battle done. Me hear the elder sing again, free from pain. Every sound a healing grace, from Jah place. One carry love so deep, never sleep. Me walk through the market lane, hear refrain. People smile through struggle long, sing Jah song. Healing wine cool every fight, turn wrong to right. Love move like wave at sea, set we free. Me feel the spirit dance, give life a chance. When breeze pass me face, me feel Jah grace. No storm too great fi win, when love within. Healing wines, blow through the nation, bring Jah vibration. Healing wines, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Healing wines, soothe the cry, lift we high. Blow strong, blow kind, free the mind. Na 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 na. Oh yeah. Oh na 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 na. So when night grow cold again, me feel the wind explain. Jah live in every breeze, bring we peace.
Ay, 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 ay. Fire spark, paper twist. Evening start like this. Me no bun fi hyper show, me bun fi know. Second deep, mind awake from sleep. Thought them line up neat and clean, more than them seen. Me question things me never ask, truth remove mask. Ganja no make me fool wise, it just open eye. Show me where me wrong before, show me more. Me see me fear, me see me pride, put them aside. Ganja wisdom talk so plain, cut through joy and pain. Ganja wisdom guide me road, light and heavy load. Me reason with myself alone, heart become throne. Me plan less, me trust more. Life open door. Herb no magic, herb no trick, just make me honest quick. Me see the world no black and white, more shade in sight. Some wrong grow from wounded soul, understanding all. So me move softer through the day, choose what me say. Smoke rise then disappear, lessons stay clear. What me learn me can't forget, no regret. Ganja wisdom talk so plain, cut through joy and pain. Ganja wisdom guide me road, light and heavy load.
and night done gone, truth still done. Wisdom walk with me slow, everywhere me go.
I Ganja and Zion Reggae, your man. Whoa, whoa. Me wake in the valley of Tess, just spirit beating on me chest. Me walk through the flame and storm, still me soul stay warm. No fear, no chain, no lie, just truth me amplify. Them try fi twist the word, but me still spread Jah word. Me roar like lion strong, righteous in every song. Them can't trap the free, Jah dwell in me. Every chant me send, truth nah bend. Me sight the wicked plot, but Jah forget them not. Them build throne from greed, but me plant love seed. Truth sharp like lightning flash, cut through the trash. Lion heart never tame, stand in Jah name. Yeah. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Me no fight with gun or blade, me fight with word me laid. Every lyric pure and deep, wake the sheep. From Zion come the call, lift up all. Me chant until me voice grow hoarse, but me stay on course. The youth them lost in vanity, me bring clarity. Them fed by social chain, me wash them brain. Truth stronger than the gold, forever bold. Me chant till dawn again, free from pain. Lion roar through Babylon gate. Them can't relate when truth step in at the place. All false erase, Jah fire clean and bright, turn wrong to right. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Yeah, lion of truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Lion of truth, never fall. Answer Jah call. So when the system try deceive, me still believe. Lion heart inside we all, answer the call. Shine soft tonight, guide me steps in gentle light. Cool wine stroke the evening sky, let the spirit amplify. Me wander through the quiet lane, thinking about joy and dealing with pain.
Moonlight show me hidden things, secrets only nighttime brings. Me breathe the silence, feel it flow. Mind slow down and start to glow. Me hold the peace in steady way. Night teach wisdom like a prayer. Me hear far drums echo low, calling me where shadows go. Music paint the dark with gold, turn the cool night brave and bold. Every note release me stress, every chord bring tenderness. Moon guide tune like cosmic fire, lift the soul a little higher with that moonlight awakening, shining on the land. Lift the weary heart and hold it in your hand. Calm are the blessing in the nighttime air, peace for the people everywhere. Moonlight awakening, soft but strong and true, bring a healing glow for me and you. Me follow the rhythm through the trees, feel the night wind dance with ease. Stars above write ancient rhyme, teach me truth beyond the time. No stress can shake me in a space. Night embrace give perfect grace. Me find a freedom pure and wide, let go every trouble tight. Me see lovers, hold them tight, walking calm beneath the light. Me see youths laugh down the way, enjoy the quiet of the days and sway. Moonlight wrap the whole town clean, make the darkness feel serene. Every face glow with reflection, night provide a new direction. Whisper soft from sky above, remind me life built upon love. Every dream take shape tonight, carried by the silver light. Hurricane moonlight awakening, shining on the land. Lift the weary heart and hold it in your hand. Calm are the blessing in the nighttime air, peace for the people everywhere. Moonlight awakening, soft but strong and true, bring a healing glow for me and you. As the night fade into dawn, me still feel the moonlight strong. Carry peace into the day, moon guide me along the way. Jah Highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth to learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall, them try fi pull me off the road. Me still carry Jah load, each breath me take a chance. Faith abundant, me see the sign say love ahead. So me drop me dread pan bed, no vanity pan this ride. Just truth inside me, try through storm, me try through flame. Still call Jah name, every curve me bend with care. Cause Jah dey everywhere, Ganja highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Ganja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the one still lost, them people pay the cost, me stop and share a song. Help them strong, the journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire, every mile me bless. No stress, me look on the horizon red. Up ahead, me feel Jah breeze embrace. Peaceful place, me drive through life with grace. No ace, me leave behind the fear. Me Jah near, me no speed, me no slow. Me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day to Zion way. Ganja highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Ganja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Of Zion, me hear a call. Bless the all. Drum beat echo through night. Guide the light, me heart move to the tune. Me never alone, me never alone. Me chanting a sacred style. A while Jah message through me flow. Let them know each word a holy seed. Fi heal the need. Zion echo pure and high, reach the sky. Them try mute the sound, still it rebound. Me see the people wake, chains break. Rasta heart no fade, freedom made. Echo run deep and strong. Jah song. Echoes of Zion call the name. Burn like flame, echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Me hear the trumpet blow from east. Soul feast, me sing till me voice run dry. Still me try, every chant me send, have no end. Zion echo call again, heal the pain. Me walk through the valley low, still me glow. Every rock me trod on firm. Confirm, Zion spirit live inside. Me guide, echo reach from heart to ear. No fear. Me no silent, me no still Jah will. When darkness tries suffocate, me elevate. Zion sound eternal flame. Call Jah name, call Jah name, call Jah name. Echoes of Zion call the name. Burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Echoes of Zion, never end. Guide we friend, voice of Jah, forever ring. Hear it sing. So when the world feel cold and torn, new hope born. Echoes of Zion, call again. Free the chain.
Zion medicine reggae, yeah man. Oh yeah. After this storm. Moonrise lovers in Groove Town. Night cool Babylon sound. Me light the chalice, calm and clean. Smoke drift, soft in between. Me mind heavy from the day gone by. Too much talk, too much lie. Me burn the herb, fi clear me sight. Truth come sharp in a night. No rush life, me take me time. Every thought align. The ganja teach me patience well. More than book them ever tell. Every pull of meditation lift me from frustration. Me see through mask and shiny show. Reality start glow. Chalice in the moonlight burn. Every lesson me learn. Chalice in the moonlight slow. Let the realness flow. Me hear old record pan the turn. Roots vibration still firm. Bassline deep like ancestor voice. Tell me youth, choose wise choice. Me feel connected, flesh and bone. Never walk alone. Me watch the stars, them blink and reason. Every life got season. Some chase hype, some chase fame. Me just keep your name. Urban music keep me straight. No fear, no hate. When smoke curl round me head, me hear the things unsaid. Silence speak louder now. Show me when and how. Chalice in the moonlight burn. Every lesson me learn. Chalice in the moonlight slow. Let the realness flow. Chalice in the moonlight burn. Every lesson me learn. Chalice in the moonlight slow. Let the realness flow. When morning come, me mind still clear. Carry peace from here. Moonlight fade, but truth remain. Herb wash me brain. Aye, aye, aye. Give Rasta the sweat, guy, man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shady humble, shady sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree fi one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt your name. Eternal branches strong and tall. Zion tree protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree bring Jah peace.
from mountain high to valley low. Zion tree forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree reach to the sky. Forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree eternity. Holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree for me and you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain. Forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here. Holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree eternity. Grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shed the humble, shed the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. From age to age, from day to night. Zion tree forever light. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Morning breeze touch my skin, wave them whisper truth again. Me sit on the shore, listen deep, hear the rhythm rise from beneath. Salt in the air, calm in my chest. Jah creation guide me every step. Me watch the tide roll steady slow, carrying stories of long ago. Each ripple bring a healing sound. Wash away doubt, we hold me down. The sun reflect like liquid gold, showing strength even when me cold. Me breathe the freedom, feel it strong, like a baseline carrying on. People walk by with heavy mind, searching peace them can't find. Me tell them ease your heart today. The ocean teach a better way. The wave move constant, never tired. Show how life can stay inspired. No need for rush or chase the time. Flow natural in your own design. Ocean of vibration, guide we every day. Carry all the worries far and wash them all away. Feel the rhythm rising deep within the soul. Bring we back to balance, keep the spirit whole. Ocean of vibration, strong like ancient tide. Lift we up with harmony, keep the love inside. See fishermen chant them prayer. Open Jah bless, the water clear. Me hear children laugh in pure delight, running free like birds in flight. Nature whisper in subtle tone. Remember love, you're never alone. Me hold the message in my chest. Gratitude make me truly blessed. Even when storm clouds gather near, me stand firm, no room for fear. The ocean roar, but still it teach. Strength is something always in reach. Me move with purpose. rivers calm and sure. Every lesson shape me more. Life a journey, steady glide, just like waves along the tide. Me float in peace, me spirit free. No weight can drown the energy. Every sound connect me deep, like secrets nature love to keep. Meditation in every breeze, Jah comfort put me mind at ease. Ocean of vibration, guide we every day. Carry all the worries far and wash them all away. Feel the rhythm rising, deep within the soul. Bring we back to balance, keep the spirit whole. Ocean of vibration, strong like ancient tide. Lift we up with harmony, keep the love inside. So when night falls slow and wide, me listen to the shifting tide. Every wave a gentle prayer, tell me calm is always there. Ocean sing till dawn anew, bringing peace in every hue.
Meditate with Zion reggae. Yeah, man. Deep blue water, endless tide. Ocean of Zion, open wide. Every wave a sacred hymn. Flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon try to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame. Ocean carry Jah name. Fisherman chant upon the sea. Ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play. Ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war. Ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song. Ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall. Ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave. Ocean strong, the people say. Rivers run from mountain high. Ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain. Ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore. Ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner, lift the hand. Ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation